Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for the week beginning Monday the 21st, ending Friday the 25th of October 2019. We are past our options expiration for October 2019. This is the day that the market's least protected, but it's not triple expiration, so we're just going to go from there. Here's a look at the daily chart of the ES. This is a front month futures contract. That's the way you should look at the market. Nothing happens. We've been here for months. It's just getting tiring. We'd like to get moving so we can get on to something else. Just look at the now. Let's just go straight to the daily charts. Crude oil up, down a penny. It doesn't matter. Gold down up $1.30. It doesn't matter either. S&P cash loses 11.75 on Friday. Nasdaq 100 is down 73.65. Looks like a big number, but it wasn't very interesting from a trading perspective. The SOX down 17.07. So that doesn't matter either. Nasdaq or the biotech's down 24.73. That doesn't really do anything. This Russell 2006, nobody cares about that either. The VIX up 14.25, close at plus 46. Just so we're on the same page, well, that's the VIX. There's the VXX, and we got a 13 buy signal again on the VXX. Last time we had that was back in July, and it did spike up off of there. So we'll see how this goes. The trend closes at 0.91, 10-day moving average at 1.03. Nasdaq volume 2 billion shares. It's pretty good, but again, this is an expiration Friday, so should have been huge volume, and it's not huge volume. Nothing else to say about that. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq negative 408, so more stocks down than up. Nasdaq New York negative 79. More stocks slightly, just barely down than up. Google loses $8.39. It ran. Look at this. You can't make this up. You got the 13 sell signal back in September. You got the risk line. It hit it exactly on Thursday, topped out, and that was it. I mean, whatever. You can't make up the technicals. Apple up $1.13, near closing highs. Netflix down 18.05. That's not good for Netflix. Amazon down 29.97, so almost 30 points. So, but not a big deal on an $1,800 stock. Tesla down $5.02. Facebook loses $4.54. Goldman Sachs up 6 cents. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, didn't do a darn thing. And that's it. We'll figure it out from there. Let's take a look at the intraday action. So here is the ES. And again, there's let's go to 10-minute candles so we can see the whole week as we usually like to do. So Monday we had kind of pushed down, flattened out after that. Tuesday gapped up and went higher, right? That's fine. Wednesday gapped down, filled the gap, wiggled around, closed slightly negative about where we opened Thursday. The big gap up, we got the 13 sell signal, and that was the high of the week. So right there, that's again how the signal works as it should. Came back down, and so we closed. And then Friday, flat opening, went lower, bounced off the static trend line from that 13 sell signal to the penny, basically. It's amazing how these technicals work. It leaves a gap up below from Monday's close. And that's it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trade.